Welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about products, installation tips, or other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing at Osborne. Today, I'd like to share with you our large floating shelf. This innovative product can be incorporated into a large number of interior design themes. It's 24 inches long, 10 3/4 wide, and 3 1/8 inch tall. There is a recessed groove in the back of the shelf that seamlessly accommodates the metal wall bracket. Once attached, it appears that the shelf is floating as the hardware is completely hidden within the groove. The large floating shelf is part number 8918. This shelf is offered in 10 different wood species, including alder, red oak, cherry, pine, soft maple, hard maple, mahogany, and black walnut. The wooden shelf is sold ready to finish, allowing you to apply the wood stain or paint that best matches your decor. The metal bracket includes the attachment screws and a leveler for easy installation. Thank you for joining me today for Osborne Wood Products 2-Minute Tuesdays. You can find the large floating shelf on our website. We've actually used two here in the back. Our website is www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.